Hey guys, it's Emily. I am walking you through how to do a promotion on your Avon. So if we go under Manage Business and click on Promotion Tool, we'll see my promotions come up. If you scroll down, you can see the ones that you've already done previously. And we're going to go up to the top and click on Create New Promotion. Now, some of them will cost you, so you can see that by the free shipping with $50 orders. You can see it says your cost per order is $8. The next one is free vitamin C with any order. That one is free to the representative. The one that I'm going to create a promotion for is the free A-list box with a $60 order. So you can see it's a great deal and it does not cost the rep anything. So you want to come up with a coupon code that's between 5 and 20 characters. Try to make it simple and something that they won't mess up easily. So I just did SEP free, and I'm going to choose to start it tomorrow, September 17th, and go through September 20th. Then it's going to, you click next, and you're going to be able to select the customers that you want to send it to. You can pull them down by groups or by birthdays. So for this promotion, I'm going to send it to September birthdays. So I scroll down under birthdays and I'm going to send it to all of my September birthdays. So then it's selected there. I click on the check mark box at the top to select all and click on Add Selected. Then I'm going to hit update and I am going to put in a personal message. So I will just say happy birthday month. Use code SEPFREE to receive a free A-list A box with your $60 order. Enjoy, Emily. And so those that are September birthdays that are in my web office and subscribed to my emails will get it and be able to use it on my website. So when I submit it to Avon tomorrow morning, all of those recipients will get the email and the code will work. And I will show you an example of the email that they'll get. But you can see how important it is to always be collecting people's contact information and entering it into your web office so that you're marketing to them. It's a super easy tool to use. Sometimes I go between the Avon Now app and the desktop because it will get hung up sometimes. You can then, after the promotion is over, go in there and see how many sales and who used your coupons. I'm just pulling up a screenshot here of what that email looks like, and there it is. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.